how to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. So if you want to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11, then what you need to do is you can simply go with your browser and go with the search bar and search for upgrade Windows 11. And you can simply go with the second search and it will take you to this kind of page where it says that this PC has Windows 11. And it already says that Windows 11 automatically updates without disrupting your flow, helping to keep your PC running securely and delivering continuous innovations that make the everyday easier. So if you want the upgrade, then you can simply go with check for updates and go with open settings, and it will open your settings and go with Windows Update, and it will check if it has any available updates. So if you have any updates, then you will get the updates right here. So in my case, I have the Windows 11 version 2.4H2. So if you want to upgrade, then you can simply go with download and install, which is here on the right side. And once you go with download and install, it will start the installing process. And in this way, you'll be able to upgrade to your Windows 11. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.